Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Lenovo laptop black screen but turn on. So let's start following this step, surely you will do it. So the first one is check your power and battery. So plug in your charger and look for any indicator lights. If the battery is removable, take it out, wait 10 seconds and then reinsert it. Second is try a key combo to reset display. So press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B and this reset the graphics driver and can bring the screen back. Number 3 is perform a hard reset. Hold the power button for 10 and 50 seconds until the laptop shuts off. Wait a few seconds and then press the power button again to restart. Number 4 is connect external devices. Unplug all USB devices, external monitors, and accessories. Restart the laptop to see if one of them was causing the issue. Number 5. Adjust brightness and reduce external display. Try increasing brightness using the FM plus brightness key and connect the external monitor to check if there is issue with build screen. Now reset the RAM. If you are comfortable opening the laptop, remove and reinsert the RAM sticks. This can fix issues caused by loose memory modules. Now check for backlight. Shine a flashlight at the screen. If you see a fine image, the backlight may be faulty. So that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.